Day 30 is build habit session is here. What you have to do today, you have to practice with voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant or Siri in English. You can start trying these apps and you can talk in English and listen to the comments or the reply given by these apps to you. So you can understand the pronunciation, the way they communicate, the way how you are telling to this apps, all those things you can try. So try doing that. This is a very good and fun and interesting task. Try doing that. Don't miss this. Day 30 is vocabulary activities here. So what you have to do, you have given many usages like using this particular word, keep doing something. So many versions of this particular usage is given. Let's see what's happening here. So the meaning is keep doing something means to continue performing an action or activity without stopping. That is, you are doing something and you are not at all stopping that, you are continuously doing that, okay, without stop. Next one, keep practicing. That means like continue that activity what you're doing right now. Keep practicing your guitar skills and you will get better. I'm working on it every day. That one person is advising a boy that you can keep practicing your guitar skills. You play guitar very well, you can practice it, you can practice it every day. Keep practicing it. Next one, keep making. That means he kept making the same mistake but eventually learned from it. It's good he didn't give up. That is, keep making means repeatedly doing. That is, he was doing some mistakes and he was constantly doing that without going away from that. So eventually, like at last, he learned how to make it correct. Next one, keep doing. That is simple, no? Keep doing your best and you will succeed. Thanks, I'll keep pushing forward. That keep doing means continue doing. You should not give up. And that is the thing. And next one is keep listening. That is, you can listen to the thing that you are following, that you are used to do. Keep listening to the podcast. It has valuable information. One person is telling you can listen to the podcast. You should not give up. You can keep listening. It has valuable information. Like good information is there. You can keep listening to that. Next one is keep trying. That means you should not give up. You should try until you figure it out. That is, she kept trying to solve the puzzle until she figured it out. That's a great example of persistence. That is, you have to work hard, you have to keep trying and achieve success. Next one, keep calling. That means he kept calling the customer service hoping to get a response. That is, without pausing, he didn't give up. So he kept on calling the customer service until the customer service agent picked the call. Sounds like he was really determined. He was really determined in doing that. That's why this thing happened. So these are the usages of keep doing, keep calling. By using the first word keep, we have added many more words with that and we got particular uses or usages we got. Now the next thing to notice, using the word let. Like prefixing let, we can use so many things in our daily conversation. Let's see. Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that. That shall I help you in doing that? Thanks, I appreciate it. I really appreciate your helping mentality. Next one, let you. That means I will let you know if I need any assistance. If you need any help, I will let you know. I will inform you. Sure, I will wait for your update. Yeah, of course, I will wait for the update. Next one, let her or let him. I will let her decide what she wants to eat. That sounds fair. That is, I'll let her, or I let her, or I will give the choice up to him. Let her decide or let him decide. That sounds a good idea. Next one is let someone. We will let someone else take the lead on this project. Good idea. They have the experience. That is, a team is discussing about one project and they have already found out one team, another team to doing this task, but they are not okay with any of the things we are telling. So we are telling that we let someone else, we will look for someone else to take this project. So that is a good idea from our end. The other people are telling. Next one is let's or let us. That means let's go for a walk. That is, we can together go for work. Let's, like I am telling with my friend that let's go for a walk. Like I am telling one to one of my companion, let's go for a walk in the park. Sounds like a great plan. That's a great plan. Next one, let them. That means let them means those people. Let them go or let them handle the situation. They are more experienced. Let those people handle the situation. They are good in handling such situations. That's true. They can manage. Yeah, they can do that. That is correct. That is the usage of let. By prefixing let, we can use these words in our daily conversations. Day 30 is vocabulary activities. Here you have given like usages like keep practicing, keep making, and at the same time let, using let also there are so many usages. Here you can start constructing sentences using each of these usages should be utilized. Day 30 is calling activity is here, and the topic is a talent I have. You can talk about a talent or skill you possess. You can explain how you discovered it and how you nurture it. That is, you can talk about a talent, let it be singing, dancing, writing poem or anything. You can talk to your personal trainer at least for 5 minutes, and you can involve in a healthy conversation with your trainer and be a good speaker.